Hello, I'm Dr. Owens of O2 Rehab Solutions, and this is the O2 Rehab Spotlight. We're discussing log rolling today. So, log rolling is what therapists teach their clients about how to transition from laying down to sitting up. This task, it can be particularly difficult, especially when that individual is experiencing spinal pain. So if your neck, your mid back, your low back are hurting, if you've recently had a spinal surgery or procedure, the log roll can be a valuable tool for you to have in your bag. Towanda Walker. She is an old patient of mine. I did not treat her for her back, but she is going to demonstrate today the proper technique in the performance of log rolling. Additionally, what I'd like you to know about Miss Towanda is an entrepreneur. She has performed photography for the last 16 years of her career, and she has recently taken the plunge from working for another company to transitioning to her own. O2 Rehab Solutions would like to say congratulations on starting your business. Her business is Professional Photography by Towanda. And if you are interested in learning more about what she offers, please take the time to find her on Facebook, Towanda Walker, or you can call her at this number to learn more about the things that she is offering. But in the meanwhile, we're here to learn about log rolling, and there's no time like the present. Let's get started. Obviously, being able to get out of the bed without pain, that's the goal. The main error I see with log rolling is maintaining a neutral spine before attempting to rise. Let's review neutral spine versus rotated spine because if you focus on this, you are likely to perform the technique correctly. In this picture, note the shoulders and the hips, they are basically parallel to each other and aligned. The spine is neutral. This is incorrect side lying. Note the spinal torsion or twisting caused by the top shoulder to present behind the spine versus in an aligned parallel position. This is a very common mistake, which can be the difference in the painful or the pain-free log roll technique. Let's watch Tawanda. I asked Tawanda to show me how she typically gets up from the bed. I call her technique the sit-up technique. It's important to know that traditional sit-ups place the equivalent of 705 pounds of compressive force through the spine. So we're beginning to see how if we are in pain or if we use the sit-up technique over time, how this technique can cause harm to our backs. When we do a sit-up technique, these forces can squeeze and bend the spinal disc to the point it bulges on the spinal nerves, causing us back pain, or could potentially lead to the pressure that may cause herniation in some cases. Tawanda will now demonstrate the correct technique for log rolling. First, you must roll to your side. Next, you must ensure that your shoulders and hips are aligned and parallel to each other. And then you must position your arms to assist you in lifting your trunk while remembering to use your legs as a counterweight to help you up. Excellent job, Tawanda. One more view in this position. Watch how Tawanda is using both of her hands this time to go into sitting position. We haven't discussed, but to go down, you just reverse the technique. Watch Tawanda go down to her side and then roll as a log to her back. Final view, I want you to watch Tawanda perform from this angle so you can observe her neutral spine. Yes, perfect. Great job again, Tawanda. The O2 Rehab Spotlight is a place where we collaborate with others. We spotlight an individual from the community, whether you are a patient or whether you are another health professional, while simultaneously giving the community some skill, some tool, having some discussion that promotes health and wellness for us all. So if you like what you watched today, please take a moment to go to the O2 Rehab Solutions channel on YouTube, subscribe, like, comment, engage us, and let us know what you want to hear us talking about. But in the meanwhile, I hope that you gathered some valuable piece of information today about log rolling and how you can use it and integrate it into your life if you are experiencing some form of spinal pain. We will see you next time.